Okay, Tarpan Soni got disconnected. Please let him in, Jeshu or Mahanav, who is the host.
Jeshu is the host.
Okay, please let him in.
Rishin, please don't ask the correct answer.
Yeah, please don't ask the correct answer. When we will disclose the answer, it would be good. You will get to know.
Okay. So, Acha, Pounce is closed.
So the direct question for Sid. Oh, yeah, Mahanam manage.
Acha, tell me the answer.
Can
Manas
I
got
can I see?
disconnected, so I've just sent the answer.
It's Osama bin Laden's body.
Correct.
Yes.
10 points. 10 points.
Okay, so it was Osama bin Laden's body. So
Jeshu, 10
we are,
points.
yeah, for
Direct question again.
Okay,
uh,
Rituraj
for
got 10
Siddharth.
points, Siddharth got 10 points, Neelav got 10 points, Rishin got 10 points, and Raman got 10 points.
Okay.
I stand the points.
You can
Okay,
proceed.
moving towards the next question.
So
Please,
it's a direct.
some voices.
Marnab Dada got disconnected. Was my answer correct?
Correct, correct.
I got disconnected.
Yeah.
Acha.
Okay.
Now
Next
yours is
question.
direct.
It is a direct for Siddharth only. So next question, 17. Fine. So there are four sections of the temple, namely the Bhoga Mandapa, refectory, the Nata Mandira, hall for dance, Jagamohana, the porch, and the Deola, main temple. In the Nata Mandira, the place for dance and music, there is a pillar known as Garuda Stamba, on the top of which Garuda, the carrier of Narayana, is seated with folded hands. The pillar is placed just at the level
Is
of
the
Ratna
quiz
Bedi.
going on?
Yeah, or else why would be here? May I continue?
Is there any negative
I
now?
beforehand said, the question is not completed. He disturbed in the middle, so I'm continuing it. Okay. So the pillar. Am I audible? Right? My voice is there. Mahanav, please let me know.
Yes, you are audible. Excuse me, is the quiz going on?
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. The quiz is going on. We are narrating the question. May I continue? What's going on?
Yes, continue.
Yeah, continue.
Okay, sure. So the pillar is placed just at the level of Ratna Bhedi, Ratna Simhasan, so that Garuda can point his eye to the feet of X. Description of which famous Indian temple? There are four sections of the temple, namely the Bhoga Mandapa, the Nata Mandira. Hint, this is a very basic question, brother.
No hints.
So no hints. Very basic question. Sorry. Jagamohana and the Deola. In the Nata Mandira, there is a pillar known as Garuda Stamba, on top of which is Garuda, the carrier of Narayana, seated with folded hands. The pillar is just at the level of Ratna Bedi so that Garuda can point his eyes to the feet of X. Description of which Indian temple.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. So, Jeshu, check the scores. चल रहा है जब Okay, so I'm sorry to say that sorry, Joydeep is not unable to hear. Why is it so? I was not connected to the voice channel.
Pounce is closed.
Piyush Datta, will two
Maharnav,
tries
can't
be
hear your
applicable? First try is wrong and
What?
second try is correct.
No, no.
No, first we'll go with the first try. No, sir, dual answers, please. Sorry.
Acha, bounce is closed.
Okay,
Siddharth,
Yes.
yes, now your turn.
The
Read answer.
Jagannath Puri temple in Odisha.
okay.
Acha,
Correct answer. Fine.
10 points.
Okay. So the next question is for Raman Bharadwaj.
Wait,
Okay,
wait.
sorry.
It was not for
Jitu, tell
Siddharth.
the scores. Yeah. It was for Siddharth. Indirect.
Again.
Sorry, not. It was. This is going the
No,
clockwise.
first question you have first question of this session you have started with Siddharth only. Now second question.
That was the last of the session.
Okay, now anti
Last of the
clockwise,
session.
Yeah,
okay, okay.
yeah. Tell the
Sorry.
Scores.
Scores: Siddharth got 10, Nilab got 10, Tarpan got 10. And Prithash
Answer.
also.
Jishu, wait. I have given the answer. At the eyes of the feet of X, I have given. That's at the last you have given the description of which iconic temple. That's why I have given a temple.
But the question was to
Hello, you.
Indian iconic temple, but you have given.
Yes, at
not
the feet of X. Now that's why X was the variable. So that's why I used with that X also and the iconic temple also.
Okay, no issue. You will get points. Rituraj, you are getting points. Jeshu, please give it.
Why Jaideep is leaving?
Because he is unable to hear. I don't know now what to do.
Tell him to join again.
Okay. Wait. He's, I think,
Maybe
yeah.
its audio drive is not supported by Zoom.
So,
Happens.
okay. Move towards the next question.
Please proceed.
Yeah. So,
Direct question for Raman
the next-
Bharadwaj.
yeah, Raj. 1 minute. No. Oh, how is it? Okay, I'm sorry for the delay. I'm telling the next question. Okay. Question number 18 for Raman Bharadwaj. Oh, what's the issue now? Number 18 is then, since the architect was concerned about the protest against his creation, he inscribed the names of 72 people on it. The list includes scientists, engineers, mathematicians, include Ampere, Coulomb, Laplace, etc. What is this creation? That is third in a certain list headed by Melia Viaduct and Military Communication Tower. Since the architect was concerned about the protest against his creation, he inscribed the names of 72 people on it. The list includes scientists, engineers, and mathematicians, including Amphithe's creation, that is third in a certain list, headed by Mila Viaduct and Military Communication Tower. Maharnav. Yeah.
Any clue?
Clue, Maharnav will give clues. Maharnav?
Wait.
Yeah. It's a very famous thing, or else entity.
Maharnav Dada gave a very big hint.
Acha, what can be other than this? Sorry.
He's there to give him. Siddharth, please don't intervene. I'm sorry for that, but please.
Means what you have to answer? The creation or something else?
Yes, creation. Which is this creation?
Acha, pounce is closed.
May I answer now?
Yeah,
Piyush,
you can.
pounce is closed. Yes.
Yeah. He can answer now. Yeah. Raman can answer now.
Yes, it is Eiffel Tower.
Okay, that's the correct answer. 10 points. Jeshu, the scores.
10 points to Raman Bharadwaj.
Okay, so Siddharth got 10 points, Kritartha got 10 points, Tarpan got 10 points, and Raman got 10 points.
Okay. So we are moving with the next question.
Aiza bolo.
Direct question
Huh?
to Tarpan only.
Yeah, for Tapan Soni. We are moving to the next question, question number 19. Thank you. So on for Tapan Soni. On December 7, 2016, what caused the famous Indian comedian Radhika Vyas to write in Times of India column Ladka Hua Ki Ladki? On December 7, 2016, what caused the famous Indian comedian Radhika Vyas to write in a Times of India column Ladka Hua Ki Ladki? Open on pounds. Marnav, I guess pounds is closed. Timing is done. Yeah. So question for
Can you give
Tapan.
the hint?
It was the American elections result that whether Donald Trump is elected or Hillary Clinton. Ladka ya ladki.
Okay. Okay. 10 points.
10 points.
10 points.
Jeshu?
This time only Rituraj was able to answer it correctly, and Tarpan Soni.
Okay. So moving towards the next question. Question number 20. We have very easy question.
Tell the answer again. Everyone could not listen, I think. Tell the answer again.
Yeah. So you need the answer to 19.
Yes. Tell the answer to everyone again.
Okay. On December 7, the presidential elections were going on, right? The result in America, USA, were out. So he said that was it Donald Trump or Hillary Clinton? Okay. So moving towards the next question, and some sound is coming from background. Please mute yourself. Okay. So question number 20 coming up.
It's a
Add
direct
by
question to Kritartha
Yeah.
Lamanta.
Yeah. Add by whom?
Any clue? Any clue?
Maharna, please. He's asking for clues. You may say. Okay, so a clue will be that the picture is itself a clue. Some scientific term will give you the answers, and some scientific notion, something which is a sort of a principle regarding the things mentioned in the ad, which will give you the answer.
Any hint?
I just gave a hint. Yeah, the ad is actually beyond science. Science doesn't support this thing, so you can guess from it. Science doesn't support it.
South Pole and North Pole. South Pole and South Pole cannot connect each other.
Neela, please, why did you say such things in between the quiz? You are making it easier for other participants.
Okay, sorry for that.
I guess the pounds is closed now.
Yeah, bounce is closed. That's why I've said.
Is it from Fevicol?
Kritartha, sorry, we can Please say again.
Is it from Fevicol or like something?
Yeah, Fevicol is the correct answer. Plus 10. Jishu, please, the scores.
Rituraj scored 10, Neelab scored 10, and Kritartha scored 10.
Okay. So, answer is Fevicol. Moving towards the next question. Question number 21. Okay. So, Dr. S.K. Burman, a physician in West Bengal, had a goal to successfully produce and market effective medicine for ordinary villagers. Dr. Burman designed dash and medication for disease such as cholera and malaria. Soon the news of this medicine traveled and he came to be known as the trusted doctor. Mispronunciation of doctor. That is how X got its name in 1844. Identify X, which is a manufacturer of X medicine. Dash medicine, sorry.
We have to identify X and the blank also.
Yeah. Not need a blank. Identify X. X will do.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
if we identify
Now I can
X,
see you
we
in-
get full points.
Excuse me,
Huh?
Piyushita.
Yeah.
I can hear you. Can you please repeat the question once?
Okay. Dr. S.K. Burman, a physician in West Bengal, had a goal to successfully produce and market effective medicine for ordinary villagers. Dr. Burman designed dash medication for disease such as cholera and malaria. Soon the news of his medicines traveled and he came to be known as the trusted doctor, means mispronunciation of doctor. That is how X got its name in 1844. So I need X. Identify X. This is a direct for Joydeep.
No need of the blank, I guess.
No need.
Okay, thank you. Pounds closed.
So here, it is the direct to
Jaideep.
Me.
Jaideep.
Yeah. Siddharth, please mute yourself.
Can I answer?
Sure, Jaideep.
Dabur? Is it Dabur?
Yeah, correct answer. Plus 10.
Okay, so Rituraj scored 10, Siddharth scored 10, Neelab scored 10, Kritartha scored 10, Rishin scored 10, Jaideep scored 10, and Tarpan scored 10.
So the answer is yeah.
So what is the answer?
So the answer is Dabur. Dabur, D-A-B-U-R, Dabur.
Yeah, I got the
Okay.
point. No.
So yeah, you got it. Yeah.
Okay.
So moving towards the next question number 22. So okay, 22 is Muhammad Al-Idrisi was born in Ceuta, then belonging to the Almoravids. He created the Tabula Rogeriana, one of the most advanced medical world maps used by explorers like Christopher Columbus and Vasco da Gama for their discoveries and voyages. What is so special about this cartographer who used this technique of making maps very tactically?
I don't think you should
Muhammad
give hints for
Al-Idrisi?
this.
No, I will not give, just repeating the question. Yeah.
Okay.
Muhammad Al-Idrisi, he made maps for explorers like Christopher Columbus and Vasco da Gama for their discoveries and voyages. So what is so special about this cartographer who used his technique very tactically?
Piyushita.
Yes, Jaideep.
By God's grace, I could not hear any of the question, but 21, which was mine, I heard that only.
Thanks to God. Okay.
Yeah.
For now, please mute yourself. We'll talk later. Okay? After the question.
it is my direct question or what? Use data.
Yeah.
It is my direct question, no?
It is direct for Rishin.
Oh, I have not answered till yet. Pounds. I thought that it is my direct. Can I now answer now?
Yeah. Please give it. Yeah.
Please, Pounds courses in 10 seconds. So,
Just give it first.
yeah, wait.
Okay. Is the pounds close or still there? Maharnav?
Pounds closed.
Great. Okay. So direct for Rishin.
Actually,
He's
Rishin
able
can't
to-
answer. He texted
Yeah,
me
so-
globe.
Globe. Okay, that's the wrong answer.
No one got it correct.
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, no issue. So the answer is that this person used to make his maps upside down. North Pole was in South placed as South Pole, and South Pole was placed as North Pole. So upside down. I guess you got it. Okay.
Remaining
moving
time
to
10
next question.
minutes.
Shall I,
Direct
Maharnav? Okay. Moving to next question. Okay, when we can move a bit fast. Question number 23.
Rituraj Kalita.
Yeah, direct question for Rituraj. So Shihabuddin had said that he had not fed anything particular to the hens, but some natural herbs that commonly grow in house yards in Kerala, like Kurunhotti, Sida cordifolia, a medicinal herb, can impart color like this. Sankara Lingam said, Sankara Lingam is a scientist researching on something very unique from Kerala. It's like a medical wonder. Not exactly wonder, but it's not possible in common terms, but it has happened. Shihabuddin, he used to fed the herb Sida cordifolia, a medicinal herb, to his hens, which led to something, and Sankara Lingam is the scientist researching on it. So, what is it? Pounds open. Direct
Any
to
clue?
Rituraj.
Any
Huh?
clue?
It's totally in the news. Okay. Recently, the owner of the hens that is the owner of the hens, that is Shihabuddin, had posted pictures of it. Hence is the biggest hint. If you are going through Google News and all.
That's related to food.
Yeah, food. Just the answer is there in the question. I guess the screen is clear. Maharnav?
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah.
The screen is
Okay.
not visible.
Huh?
I got it.
Okay.
Nilav, please turn on your video.
It is coming?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Unmute yourself. Mute yourself.
Who's direct question?
Rituraj.
Direct for Rituraj.
Yeah, now I have to answer.
No, wait a minute.
Wait,
Okay,
Pounds
okay.
closes. Pounds closed.
Okay. Pounds is closed. Rituraj, please answer.
Is it that papaya ring shot virus, like means about papaya, the color thing?
You're actually, if you would have thought a bit, you could have got the answer. Okay. So no issue. We are moving towards for the answer. The answer is that the hens laid. Sorry for the background sound. The hens were. Okay, sorry. I don't know whose it is, but please, sorry. Actually, what happened is hens were laying eggs with green yolk, from the past 9 months. Recently, the hen owner, that is Sihabuddin, he is actually the poultry owner who posted photos of those eggs with green yolks. Okay, so Jishu, please mention the scores, like the who got it correct.
Rishin and Tarpan got it correct.
Actually.
Okay,
Now it's
okay.
adequate
So moving to
or
Neelav.
Goswami.
Great. Okay, so moving to question number 24. 1 minute. Yeah. On which recent occasion did Mercedes-Benz? Sorry. On which recent occasion did Mercedes-Benz launch this advertisement? On which recent occasion?
Wow.
Please no hints for this question.
Just look at the picture carefully and try to understand.
The picture is not coming.
Rituraj, your video is not
Question paisa
visible.
na na. Question paisa tu.
পাইছো
মানে question paisa তার সাইডতে picture আছে চাই লোৱা
নাই দেখা নাই
Yeah.
দেখা নাই নেকি
I know means the second most comfortable itu dekha ase mane real picture to dekha nai.
ও হেতু
Real
picture
picture hide
আহিলে
kori
তো
disa.
answer ভাল
Hitu picture hide kore ase ako.
yeah মানে you will not get that real picture because it will give you the answer. We had to hide it. Yeah.
Pounds should be closed.
advertising of a car means the new model of Mercedes
Now we need an occasion actually.
occasion.
Hmm. You have 30 seconds more.
Okay.
Comfortability is the answer. Means close.
Please
Pass,
tell
pass.
if you don't know. Pass. Okay. Okay. So the answer is Mother's Day. We all know that the second most comfortable place on earth salutes. The most comfortable place on earth. So yeah, sorry for that. Jishu, please tell.
Hello, Piyush Dada.
Jishu, are you there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
there was some network connectivity problems. So, okay, so Rituraj got it correct. Siddharth, Kritartha, Rishin, and Tarpan.
Okay. No. Okay, that's good. So moving to the next question number 25, right? So 25 is there. There's the Anna Mary X was a French artist known for her Y and X, the Y Museum she founded in London. Easy one.
Yep.
What about spelling mistakes?
Spelling mistakes. until and unless the spelling is too ulta fulta. The word, the pronunciation should come from that spelling.
Okay.
So, round still open, right?
5 seconds left.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, pounce is closed.
Siddharth,
Okay,
please don't
so
type
that
question mark after the question answer.
Yeah, it looks like you are asking us. Okay, so Neela, question on. So answer for the question.
Sorry, I think the full name of Anna Maria Mary Tussauds. She was French artist known for her wax sculpture for famous personalities across the globe.
Okay.
And the famous museum, it is Madame Tussauds. Wax.
Okay. Acceptable.
10 points. 10 points.
Correct. 10.
Okay.
Fine. The answer is Madame Tussauds Museum.
Madam Tussauds.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So,
Rituraj,
who was-
Siddharth, Kritartha, Nilab, Rishin,